Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to cancel Apple TV subscription after free trial in 2025. So in order to do this, first of all, open your App Store. Then once inside, go to any page and tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Now, if you haven't set a custom picture, it is going to appear blank. So simply click on that. Now, tap on subscriptions and this will take you to a list of all your subscriptions linked to your Apple ID. Your active subscription will be at the top and inactive ones will be at the bottom. So find your Apple TV Plus subscription on this page, click on it and you will see the details about your subscription, including whether it's a free trial or a paid plan. Now scroll down and tap on cancel subscription button or cancel free trial button. Now, if you're on a free trial, cancelling may immediately remove access, while a paid subscription usually remains active until the next billing date. So, confirm your decision by tapping confirm and your subscription will be instantly cancelled. So that is a simple way through which you can cancel Apple TV subscription after free trial. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.